Hey, quick question, just quick street interviews. Do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? How do you feel about that?
Because I work for a company, they say in few years we will be replaced.
Oh, and what do you do?
Customer service.
Customer service?
Same.
Same. For what company?
Train company.
Train company. Okay, got it. Okay, so what are you thinking? What are you doing now in response to that? I'm curious. Oh, sorry. Hey, heel. Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
So now that you heard that, are you like trying to build new skills, or what are you doing to like for job security and stuff?
I think I will find a job. I
you feel
don't do
confident
anything
about
for
that?
now, but
Okay,
it will not kill me. But
It will not kill you.
I will need to find a new job.
got it. Okay, but do you feel like optimistic about the future? Pretty optimistic for you? You kind of?
I don't care much.
Okay, just live in the present.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, what are your names?
Petra.
Petra?
Tom.
Tom. Robert. This is Kenji. And behind the camera is Jonathan. We're working on an AI startup, but focused on how can we help it help us to become our best selves versus like dystopian AI overlords. We don't really want that. So we're working actively to build a better future, and interviewing people like you kind of helps. So I really appreciate you taking the time. Do any of you have kids? Okay. What do you think of the kids today and going to college, trying to get a job? Must be like kind of weird. Any thoughts on that?
I don't know. Everything is digital now, so
Everything's digital.
But study languages,
Study languages.
definitely.
Tell me more. Why?
Because not only English
Yeah.
is the language of the world.
Absolutely. There's so many different languages to preserve.
We are from Czech Republic. We are not American.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
so we are.
we will be lost without
We
English.
will be lost
we need to
without
learn
English.
Got it. Are you visiting?
But because
Oh.
we live next to Germany.
Yeah.
So we use Germany a lot also.
I see. Okay. So for the kids out there, learn new languages. Helps you be more worldly. One positive thing, just working in the space, AI is actually being used for cultural preservation, which is super cool. So I'm excited actually on that regard that I don't think we'll lose our languages. I think we'll preserve them, and we'll also preserve cultural context around artifacts and things like that. So yeah,
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Keep being positive.
You too.
Take care.
Bye.
Yo, that was sick. All right, sweet. Let's call it. Wait, can you film me real quick? Just thinking this through. And then I'll talk to Kenji too. Hey, Kenji. Yo. So, Kenji, how do you think that went for our first set of interviews around is AI going to kill us all? Kenji? Oh, yeah. What a good boy. All right, I think he's distracted, but I will say I think that went really well. And I think this is a great way to just get the pulse of the people on what do people think? Is AI going to kill us all? Is it going to take our jobs? And what was really cool is there are a lot of positive people. There were people that were just like, nah, it's not going to happen. And the people that were like really confident about that, some people were like, yeah, it's going to kill us all, whatever. And I love that last woman who said, I'm not thinking too far ahead. I'm just living in the present. That was super cool. So we're going to keep doing this. And if you like this, hit follow, hit subscribe, and let's stay alive together. Bye-bye. Sweet. All right, the content.